damaged hair like mine, you should check out this hair mask that everyone is raving about.
This is the K18 molecular repair hair mask that I got from HairMNL. It comes in 5ml, 15ml, and 50ml sizes.
This hair mask is supposed to repair damaged hair from coloring, bleaching, perming, rebonding, you name it. So we're going to test out this hair mask today. You can see my hair is really frizzy and fragile because I've been using a lot of heat on it. So we're really going to check out if this hair product is worth the hype. So I just shampooed my hair, and they say to only use shampoo because it's supposed to absorb all the ingredients in your hair, and it can't do that if you have conditioner. I'm going to use 2 to 3 pumps. I will rub it in my hands until it turns white for the best texture. Okay. See it in 4 minutes. It's already been 4 minutes, so I'm just going to remove my hair. So wow, my hair feels incredibly smooth already at the first touch. Here's the final look. I feel that my hair is straighter, softer, and it's so healthy looking right now. So I'm so happy with it. If you have damaged hair, I definitely recommend that you try this hair mask and see it for yourself. Get it now on HairMNL.